Alright, hey everybody, I'm going to do Sugarpill, and I'm going to do these colors right here. So starting with the orange, I'm using the new brushes from Believe Beauty. Okay. Yeah, I used the Wet n Wild, the Idolize in the orange color.
I'm on my way.
Let's try this now. That is pretty. This is like her, I think she did that one for Halloween. There's really not like a very light highlighter in the palette, so let me just get this orange in there.
Yeah, make sure you copyright that burp because you're going on video.
You guys are funny, man. You guys are too much. I'm not really an orange fan, but that's pretty. So I'm gonna dip into the green. I'm gonna use that as my contour color. I still have the Sesame Street yellow here. I think I'm going to leave it on and dip into this yellow. Because this is more like a mustard yellow. Highlighter, but let's see. Okay, that's not bad. It's not bad. Using the same brushes that I used last week. Let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I use pumpkin spice and treat from the Trick or Treat collection. I thought it was a gloss. It was just sheer, so it didn't do what I like it to do, which is make it glossy. I don't like dryness on my lips, but anyway, pumpkin spice with treat on the lips. And I just used the blush in the palette. I just used the blush that the palette came with. And that's it for that. And I curled my hair. My hair is growing and it's so damaged that it's just very stiff. It's very straight, the damage ends, and very stiff. So I put rolls in my hair for the first time in something like 8 years. But I won't do that again because at first I was too tired. I was like, oh, this is just going to be a pain in the butt. But it actually took like 5 minutes to do. But sleeping with rolls in my hair that I haven't done in 8 years, it's sponge rollers. It shouldn't bother me, but it did. And I had a hard time getting comfortable. So I won't be doing that again. But I'm just admiring, though, how it looks right now. So that's it. Next week I'll finish. I want to use the blues in the palette, the indigo and the blues for next week. So, okay. Love you. Mwah.